So if you're wanting to add new mulch, there's a critical step that you're going to need to do first, and that is called bed edging. As you can see here, the difference between the lawn and the bed has kind of become fuzzy over the last little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a clean bed edge, and that's going to do two things. One, it's going to define the difference between bed and lawn, and two, it's going to provide a lip for the mulch to sit against. So what you want is you want your bed to come in, or your lawn to come in straight like this, and then you want a sheer cut off straight down, and then you want it to arc back up into the bed so that the mulch can come and sit against that. And what this does is keeps the grass out of the bed and the mulch out of the grass. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to go along here being careful for dog line or utilities or anything like that. We've already have them marked, so that is okay for us. However, for you, if you are doing this in your own home, you are going to want to make sure that those utilities are marked because they are expensive to repair. So using my spade, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come along the bed edge and cut a clean line straight up and down, and then I'm going to bring it in at an angle like this and create that slope right back into the bed. And I'm just going to turn the grass over into the bed and leave it there. And what I'll do is either till it up if it's been sprayed already, or since this stuff hasn't, I'm going to pick it up and dispose of it myself. Oh, that's nice soil. And there you have it, a crisp, clean bed edge. So if you're doing your landscape beds by yourself and you don't have machines or equipment to do it, all you need is a spade and just a little bit of know-how, which you now know. So congratulations, you can get out there and get started on your lawn and your landscape. If you need more help with your landscape, then I have a gift for you. In the link below this video, you will find my step-by-step guide for how to do your landscape from start to finish. I want you to have that as a way of saying, thanks for joining me today, and thanks for caring about your project. So go ahead and pick up your free guide in the link down below and take these skills and more to work on your own project.